Man, what devastation. I ain't never seen this field this bad. He's lost all this corn. This whole field should be as tall as that. That's where the flood water stopped, right there. The river is almost, it's over a quarter mile, maybe half mile that way. So that's how far the river came out of its banks. It's never been this bad. I probably lost all my trail cameras. If it got up that high, we're gonna go back here and see if we can find them. See what's left back here. Mosquito infested river bottom's what this is. It's great hunting, but on the wet years, you might lose some things. The mosquitoes are so bad back here. Man, it's just with water standing everywhere. I wanted to show you something real quick. Look way out there in the back of that field. That should be corn that's, goodness gracious, 10 feet tall by now. As much water we've had, there's corn right over there that's 10 feet tall. This is unbelievable. It's never flooded this bad here. I'm seeing tracks. Look right here, look. Coyote tracks. There were turkey tracks back there. And turkeys never come up through here. So this flood's got them pushed around. Well, here's a nice little, this might be a nice little buck track. It could be a doe track, but I'm thinking it's a little buck because I've been following some doe tracks. Yeah, coyote tracks. We got a coyote problem up here. Always do. So many coyotes, deer, turkeys. The place is phenomenal. But you always have the river to deal with. If the river will stay down and stay calm, this is a great place to hunt. But when she's angry, she's coming out of her banks, you might as well kiss it goodbye and go hunt somewhere else. Well, I'm going to get on coming into the woods up here. Oh, I can see it's flooded already. You might not be able to see this, but that water's way up here. We might not be able to get to the trail cameras. Let's go take a look. You guys want to see a hunter's heartbreak? Let me show you this. My heart breaks right now, but if this water will go down, we still have a chance to come in here and get this hunted this year. Bad thing is, this water's took out a lot of crops. Check that out. There's usually just a creek right through there. This is all flooded. My trail camera's got to be underwater. But look at this. Pure devastation. At least I guess I don't have to worry about the deer hiding in the corn where I'm hunting, because my stand's right up here. It's amazing. See a lot of deer traffic through here. They don't have anywhere to go but stay on the high ground. Isn't this amazing? Good thing I got my rubber boots on. Oh, she's getting soft. She's getting deep too. gonna be able to get too much further in there. Yeah, the tree stand's still there. My food plot's right over there, underwater. Well, at least I won't have to kill the vegetation when it's gone. Here's a better look at the how far the water came up out of the river this year. All of this way back over there to that first tree line. That's like 450 yards from there to this tree line. And then you have another 200 yards back to the river beyond that. That's how high this water got this year. We lost a lot of crops right here. Well, we're going to do our best to get it hunted. Here, let me show you this too. Check this out. Right here. Way back in there. That's where I was turkey hunting this last spring. Isn't that amazing? What you can't see is underneath the water, it goes down probably 10 feet to the creek, which is over there. So you're looking at about 15-20 foot of water to the bottom of the creek up to the top of the water there. Yeah, this is probably the worst it's ever been back here. So, hello, honey locust. Tree from hell. You get poked with one of them, you know it. Well, just hope for some sunshine and some wind, and we can get this dried up and get to hunting it this year and get a food plot in anyway. Wish us luck. Yeah, just give you an idea how much water we got here. This is the pasture for the cows. There's a little creek that runs through it. That's it. All that way in the back, way back there is where I was. And this water still hasn't gone down. There's the bridge for the little creek. We're gonna be hunting deer from a kayak this year.